我是快乐小男孩，天天在家玩游戏，玩游戏是不好，我脑中上中奖，我要是没卡的人，天天在家玩游戏，亲朋好友来看，一起聊聊玩游戏，玩游戏啊。
There are a lot classic NES games, and now what I'm gonna play could be the best one in the all games. That is Super Mario Brothers 3. Let's do it. So here is the game. Now let's start it. So I have played a lot of games in NES, and this one is the only thing, even the only one, I still keep the original disc, of course in my house and based in China, but now I couldn't find it. But I'm pretty sure this game is so classic, and well, it's too classic. Look at the image. It could be the best. So I can speed up and jump. I can hold this. Well, what I can do is fly. So I'm trying to fly. Oh shoot! Whatever, I need to go fast. Oh! Damn it! Well, it could be very hard. All I gotta do is just to pass the level 1, because there are too many levels in this game. But you know what? It's just so frustrating because this generation, the third generation, is the only generation I passed through all levels. It's because, yeah, when you start to like a game a lot, you could have a face, you could have confidence to play through this game. If you hate this game, to like the first generation, I'm sorry, I didn't see that first one is so bad. But the image just give me a very creepy feelings. Because the enemy in the first generation make Mario is super weak. I'm sorry, just come on, this word just come out into my mind, just super weak. But this time Mario have a chance to be like a flying tapoon or something like that, and he can even do this. So Mario is getting stronger and kind of powerful. It's not the only one who can only fight a fireball. He can do much better than that. So that makes me feel I am strong. I'm a king sometimes in this game, so I'm not afraid of you. So that things give me the confidence to play through this game. So for me, I think if you are making a video, you're not just to make this game so hard to play. It should be so fun to play. Why people play games? I think most of them, they just play game for fun. If you make a game and make the player feel so nervous, what's the point? Well, no point at all. It's a single game. There's no internet. You just try and get some fun from your console. Well, there's no any reason to make game so hard to play. Of course, you can make two-player games a lot harder, but just based on the situation that the two players want to compete with each other. It's not just one play and another trying to support. like Ninja Turtle, and that game is kind of hard to play. I remember when I played with my brother, we spent almost a couple months to play through the game, but we failed. We never played through that game because that's too hard. But for this Mario, I think you see, I'm already past the 3 levels in how long is it? In a couple minutes. That makes this game much fun. So I'm not saying if you make a game, try to make players and more challenge. It's good. Actually, that is kind of a bad. If you can, okay, you can set up a solution, options like you can select the level, difficulty level. Well, that'll be cool. But for a lot of games in NES, they don't have options. So all you gotta do is just play through the game based on your lucky or your skill, and after the game you feel, oh, it's over. That's not good. Look at Mario right now. Even the screen moving like the moving style, I still feel, wow, it's pretty good. I feel, see that? Wow, there's the one-up things. I still feel very easy and make my mind feels cool. I want this feeling. It's not that feeling that after I play a game I feel I'm dying. I hate that game. There is a PC game called Evil Within. That game just scared the shit out of me. What the hell is that? Well, I know a lot of people, they love horror movie, but for a horror game, well, I just think I need to try a horror game. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, thank you for watching this game video on Mario. But what I'm talking about a lot is not related to this topic. I'm so sorry, guys, but Super Mario Game 3 is the best NES game I ever played, and that's not fake, it's not unreal, it's true. In my life, I love this game. That's why I still sometimes play this game, even I am super grown up. Okay, thank you guys for watching my videos. Okay, this word is so hard to pronounce. Subscribe my channel if you like it. Okay, I'll see you in next videos. Thank you. Bye now.